My name's Jesse. I'm the owner of Summit Jeep Company. Today we're excited to partner up with Overland Journal with their 2018 Jeep JL. We're going to be putting on Icon's 2.5-inch Stage 8. Comes all new coils, adjustable control arms, brand new shocks, sway bar links. Really going to help this Jeep perform while they're out overlanding. This is Jesse here. He's going to be our lead installer. This is Brian McVickers with Overland Journal. He's going to introduce the Jeep here and the project that's going on.
We're here at Summit Jeeps in Prescott, Arizona, which is our hometown, and we're really excited to be able to have a local Jeep shop that has the capability and the knowledge to do some amazing work on Jeeps. So we're going with the Icon Stage 8 suspension, which is fully adjustable, and it's going to give us a really increased payload capacity and off-roading capability for this JL platform.
So this is Icon's front shock with their 2.5-inch Stage 8. As you can see, Jesse here is pulling off the factory shock. Quite a big upgrade here. Really going to help this thing handle a lot better on the trails and on the back roads.
We're gone from the stock shocks to this 2.5-inch with a bypass reservoir, so it's really going to help for those longer excursions down, Baja washboard for all day long. It's going to help things stay cool.
So these are the Icon adjustable control arms that we're going to be putting on today. As you can see, compared to the factory ones, these are a lot beefier. Great heim joints on here. They're really going to help this thing perform.
So that's going to wrap up today's build. We did the Icon Stage 8 on the Overland Journal Jeep JL for Brian down there. He came in and helped us. Gave us a really good hand. Everything went flawlessly. The kit is awesome.